the world of Righteous Soul Livings. Can you hear Righteous Soul TV? Righteous Soul is silence and clear creational knowledge based on to live, to choose, to decide righteous souls. Righteous Soul TV. Righteous Soul equal micro concept, which is my book's main keywords. I believe on Righteous Soul based on micro concept. Yes, I'm very clear and reset. I will come back to Righteous Souls. My YouTube, Righteous Soul TV, yes, comes back to Righteous Soul really. How to live. Beyond and just on my ways. I have been disturbed in this, within this. So, to live righteous souls, I have to beyond it. My righteous soul is free. My righteous soul is independent. My righteous soul is excitement. That place is beyond and living on my ways. If I live beyond it, in the beyond places, nothing impossible disturb me. It is really truth. And dreams very valuable. Righteous Soul TV is my tools to live on Righteous Soul livings. If meets in this Righteous Soul TV, if communicates as a righteous souls, all the world's righteous souls meet at Righteous Soul TV, then each should have to live righteous souls. Because righteous souls are really hard living on. Not beyond this place. We righteous souls meet at beyond place. Righteous Soul TV. I did not know. Try to living in this world as righteous soul. But huge number of not righteous souls, huge number of strong not righteous souls, they push me out of the cosmos. They treat me as strangers. Righteous soul living's purpose is finally reach at righteous soul living in destination place. Righteous soul and the Buddha, righteous soul monks, righteous souls. as I am reaches near to approaching to the righteous living destination places. For a moment, I forgot. I have been pushed. I studied. I realizations. I enlightened for my arriving at righteous living destination places. Righteous soul living in destination places. Righteous soul's home. Righteous soul's hands. In this place, only the truth. Only truth. Real. We have righteous souls having purposes. Righteous living destination place. Here is excitement and pleasure. There is any nonsense. All righteous souls try to each other's. All righteous souls try to help each other's. All righteous souls try to real love others, so that righteous living destination places, eternity living places, eternity livings, righteous soul, and gods. Righteous souls has two energies, righteous living energy and creation of knowledge. Knowledge and energy as a goddess, health to the righteous livings. Righteous souls. I gotta know that is righteous souls. I have written a book, Micro Concept, and I gotta know that is righteous souls. Yes, I'll live on righteous souls as near to the ends of my livings. I'll be excited with that, because as I am living righteous souls is with body, with soul. Yes, with body's righteous soul is minority, with soul is majority. I'm excited with righteous livings beyond the livings. Thank you.